So, a very, very, very quick tour of a rather ruffled up cabin 3047 on deck number 3. The reason it's in such a mess is because we're leaving this morning, and obviously, yep, hello. Obviously that's because we've kind of left it in a mess. So just a quick once round, things that might be useful for you. First of all, a couple of things here. You've got the American plug and the British plug. There's only 2 plug sockets that you've got in here, so you might need to bring one of each. Just below that, complimentary teas, coffees, sugar and milk, and everything you'd expect in a normal hotel back in the UK. Some things that you have to pay extra for here are obviously the cans of pop and the Pringles that are in the room, and as you can see here, not exactly too cheap, but if you feel you need to have some soft drinks, Pringles or water, then be aware that all these things are chargeable. The only place there's free water on the ship is in the buffet canteens upstairs on the 10th deck by the pools. Just quickly going around the room so you get a kind of feel for it. Picture on the wall, obviously massive mirror, and yours truly, the photographer, in it. Telephone, and just looking over here, you've got the television. We were quite impressed actually. It had Sky Sports on it, which, well, Sky Sports News, so don't get too excited. Where you could keep abreast of all the football and sports news and everything at home while you're over here. You can also get some of the various BBC News channels. I think Sky News is on there as well. One thing we did do is we had the cabin lady make the bed up as a double. When we arrived, it was 2 singles, and if you do that, just be warned that it does mean clambering out of bed over here, because the cabins are quite small, yeah. So something just to be aware of if you choose to do that. Coming over this way a little bit, then obviously you've got the light switch for the bathroom and an air conditioning unit, and I must say the cabin was beautifully cool throughout the course of the cruise. We're here in August, and obviously it's the height of the summer down here in Greece. 35 degrees outside, but it was like a fridge in here, which was awesome. So well pleased with that. Very quickly into the bathroom. Everything that you would expect in the bathroom. You know, a couple of cup holders for your toothbrushes, and sink, and a mirror. Once again, apologise, it's a bit steamy in here. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're flying at 9. Complimentary soap, toilets, a little bit about what you should and shouldn't put down the loo. And for those of you that have been on a cruise before, bog standard cruise shower with complimentary shampoo and soap as well. Something that is quite useful along the top here is a clothesline where you can hang your wet shorts and everything. So happy days, because you'll be needing those when you're on here. So there you go, there's cabin 3047 on deck 3 on the Thomson Majesty.